Today, we make what?
Lambchetta, baby.
Tell them what we got. How we made it.
So normally porchetta has the pork loin and then pork belly. Normally. We did a lamb leg that we had deboned, rolled it up, slathered a whole buttload of homemade ranch on it, and then wrapped some pork belly around it and roasted it. It's pretty good. So this is our lamb leg. Okay, it's a piece of the leg it's been deboned. I got it from a store already deboned, as you can see. Normally you would use it as a roast, but we're going to roll it out, flatten it, and use it as our pork loin in the lambchetta. So normally a porchetta has it's either just pork belly rolled up and roasted, or you can put a pork loin inside and then roll the pork belly around it and roast it like that. But instead of the pork loin, we're going to use lamb leg because lamb leg's cool. The lamb leg that we pounded out, we're gonna roll that, and we want to stuff it with something. So we're gonna stuff it with a ranch, okay? Because ranch is tasty. Okay. And main ingredient in a ranch dressing is mayo. So we don't have enough mayo, so we're gonna make some. Yay mayo! Yay mayo! So you need basic recipe for mayo is egg yolks, any kind of acidity, and oil. Alright, here we are, separating the egg yolks like a master.
Like a master.
Okay, so we have 2 egg yolks. 3 egg yolks makes about a quart of mayo. We don't need a quart, we need like a cup. So, I'm doing that. Lemon juice. We'll put a little bit in now, and then when we're done, we'll taste it and see if it needs more. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle in oil while we whisk. Did I break it? I think I broke it.
You screwed up.
I screwed up.
What did you do?
I poured the oil in too fast and it broke from the egg yolk, and now we have separated oil and egg yolk. You can start over. I screwed up the mayo, so I'm going to restart it. I poured the oil in the egg yolk too fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with another egg yolk. I'm going to take the broken mixture, which you see right here is just oil floating in egg yolk, and re-emulsify that into the egg yolk. Good, that was done.
It's done, yeah, it's perfect.
It's like mayo.
Okay, it does.
Yeah, give it a little more salt.
You say, isn't that the goal though? It's supposed to taste like that?
So we've made our mayo, as you can see, nice and creamy. It's not a perfect mayo, but it's on its way to being very good. Ranch is basically an acid, being a vinegar or citrus, mayo, and buttermilk. And that's like a basis for a ranch. You just need a certain ratio. So we're gonna do roughly about a half a cup of sour cream, just to help it be a little fresher tasting. half a cup of our homemade mayo,
Homemade.
and then a half a cup of buttermilks.
Buttermilk.
Shaky, shaky.
Boom shakalaka laka.
So we have our ranch made. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grate some shallot and garlic inside, cause yeah, sucker.
Cause you sucker. Say when.
Okay, so we made our honey mustard ranch, I guess we can call it, right?
Yeah, it's more like honey mustard ranch.
Yeah, we add a little cayenne. We kind of working on the seat of our pants, you know. We weren't gonna do honey, but we did honey. Put some cayenne in there. Did pretty good.
It does.
You know? Yeah. So we're gonna slaughter this on our lamb. Salt our meat really well, okay? Because you always gotta salt everything. Okay.
Nice.
Nicely salted. Ranch time.
Ranch.
Ranch is gonna be all over the place, but whatever.
Whatever.
It's gonna be good. The acidity is gonna help flavor the meat. Might even help break it down a little bit. I don't know how long it needs to break down proteins, but might have enough time. That's it. Next step. So we're going to season the pork belly, and then we're gonna roll this over the lamb, tie it up, get it on the smoker. Should we just slaughter this in ranch?
Do it.
Why not? This honey, it might burn a little bit, but that's okay.
It's time to put some smoke on this right now. It's time to smoke the Lambchetta. Lambchetta. I'll get it by the end of this. Oh. Failure is not an option. All right. Coals are nice and warm, ready to go into the smoker so we can get this Lambchetta going. Ah, yeah.
Ooh.
We got some nice smoke going. Throw it on. Hand it over. Beautiful. Nice.
Alright, we're taking this Lambchetta off the smoker. Still raw, as you can see, it's jiggly. But now we're going to transfer it into the oven. Oh, boom! That looks good already.
Yeah,
It really does. I want to eat
awesome.
all of that. Okay. Shh. Already looks really, really good, but it's going to look better in like a few hours. So, let's do it. So the skin needs to get crisp still, but it's almost there. So this guy's out of the oven now. He's been out for, I don't know, almost an hour. You can see it's hard, but it's not crispy yet. So we're gonna try and torch. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we tried to torch it.
We attempted.
But you could see it started to bubble up, and that's really nice, but the amount of butane tanks we'd have to run through to get it to all be crispy would take forever, and we're not going to crank the oven to 500 degrees and smoke out this entire house. So we're just going to cut into it. It's going to be delicious.
Try.
Alright, we're going to try it.
We got some crispy stuff going on.
Pork belly really good. Oh, lamb.
Oh, that belly's good.
Yeah, it is.
Fattiness.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I guess I have to.
Mm-hmm. So you know, it's good.
That's a little more fattiness. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
So, if you like porchetta and other crazy things that we've been doing, please subscribe and like. Till next time.